It was day 3 of cleanup for residents in a lakeside neighborhood after a quick but violent storm hit Friday night. The winds were powerful enough to uproot several trees. Channel 3's Michelle Herron shows us the damage.
When you follow the damage, it gives you a peek at the path of the storm. Take a look at this woman's backyard. The high winds uprooted a large tree. It also knocked down a big portion of her fence. The damage continues over here, uprooting 13 trees, and the damage even continues on properties across the street. The sound of chainsaws echoed through the neighborhoods of Chimney Hills Monday as residents clean up dozens of trees uprooted from Friday's storm.
My pool, it landed right beside it.
Penny Stanford lost 14 trees on her property alone.
There's 13 trees there that just went like clockwork. And then they went straight through their backyard and over to the people across.
Stanford says this is the first time in 20 years she's had storm damage. Data from the National Weather Service shows the wind reached 40 miles per hour.
I had umbrellas that didn't get knocked down, but the trees did.
She's hoping insurance will help cover the cost of cleaning up and replace her fence. Others in the neighborhood had tree trimmers out, checking on the trees that are still standing.
That happened like in 10 seconds.
Stanford is glad no one was hurt and there wasn't any major property damage. Residents tell me a team with the Office of Emergency Management will be back out here tomorrow to survey that damage. Reporting in Lakeside, I'm Michelle Herron, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.